Here it is, the thing you've all been asking for. The blueprint for a whole week's meals for a family of 4. I'm talking breakfast, lunch, and dinner. 21 meals in total, 84 servings. So the key here is one really big shop, a Sunday meal prep, a Wednesday mini meal prep, and making sure we use every single thing. I spent only $147.93. Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. Welcome to Struggle Meals. Wednesday dinner's a perfect time to meal prep for the second half of the week. Roasting chicken and veggies is a great way to get dinner on the table real quick and a wonderful opportunity to cook more food than you need so you can use the leftovers for lunches later in the week. Since we're already cooking, it only takes seconds to get a pot of barley going, and we can use the leftovers for meals later in the week. Use the rest of the eggs, the barley you just cooked, and your leftover veggies, and you've got a really healthy, easy barley bowl for Thursday lunch. Last night, I roasted some cauliflower with my chicken and veg, and now I've got a barley, tomato, cauliflower, cheesy casserole that comes together in seconds, and Thursday dinner is completely out of my mind. Use that sheet pan chicken and transform it into a chicken salad for Friday lunch. You did it. You made it through the work week. And nothing's better than a big bowl of spaghetti on a Friday night with the family. Plus, it comes together so quickly. It's Saturday. It's time to eat something. So I say panzanella salad. Panzanella salad is just a bread salad, and I happen to have garlic bread from last night's delicious spaghetti dinner left over. So we'll cut up the garlic bread into little croutons, and we'll make a wonderful panzanella and bean salad. It's gonna have everything that one looks for in a balanced meal. All right, so I kind of have a step done for me because this is garlic bread, so it already has a whole bunch of butter and oil and garlic on it. So I don't need to do anything. I'm just gonna put them in the oven and toast them. But if you're using straight up stale bread, you might wanna toss them in some olive oil, maybe a little bit of salt. Maybe you've got onion or garlic powder. Maybe you don't. It's up to you. In the oven. The bell peppers were on sale this week, so I bought them, I incorporated them into my meal plan, and I used them across 3 meals. That's the key here. You've got to incorporate things that are on sale. Just because I used a bell pepper doesn't mean that it's affordable at the time of year and place that you are. Figure out the swap that's gonna work. We've got the cucumber, trying to go about the same size as the croutons. Very nice. Cherry tomatoes, I'm just gonna put them in whole. Let's have our onion follow suit here. Cut it in half, take off the end, take off the other end. Uh-oh, it's gonna happen. I'm gonna go this way, and I'm gonna go like this. So now all of these will break up. So here are some beans. This is gonna give us protein and a really, really heartiness. Sometimes after a long week, it's really nice to have something that's fresh and easy to make. And because this is so hearty with the bread and the beans and all these vegetables, the dressing can be extra light. We don't need to add more creaminess here. So I really think the way to go is just with a lemon oil vinaigrette. So there we go. We've got our lemon juice. I would say double the amount of olive oil. Great time to use your olive oil because this is such a simple and light vinaigrette. The flavors really come out. And I think that extra virgin olive oil or any kind of olive oil mixed with the lemon, really, really nice. Now these two, they're not the best of friends. Even if I add salt, which you should do, they're still not the best friends because oil and water, they don't go together. So we're gonna put honey in there to help make a dressing happen. Struggle Whisk 45,000. Look at that. So creamy and wonderful. Oh yeah. We got a really nice dressing. We've got a really nice chunky salad over here, and we're gonna add our croutons to it. This is something you're thinking about making in advance. I do the dressing at the bottom with the cherry tomatoes uncut at the bottom, and then build everything on top of it. And that'll keep them all separate until you're ready to shake it up. Put some pepper on here, a little more salt while I'm tossing it. I'm going from the bottom up. That is the method that I use here. That's it, baby. Leftovers, once again, transformed into something completely different. Today, it's panzanella salad, one of my favorite uses for leftover bread. Here we go. It is time to eat the panzanella salad of Saturday. The Saturday panzanellas, they're the best ones. Going in for some basil, because I have it. Give it a little slap. Ooh, makes the aroma come out. And then I'm just gonna tear it by hand. The panzanella salad is fantastic. I got so many fresh vegetables in here, my cucumbers, my peppers, I got my cherry tomatoes, and such a light vinaigrette. But this is not a joke. This is not like a hold me over salad. This is a full meal, and that's because of the leftovers. It's because of the beans, it's because of the crusty bread that we cut up into croutons. Ah. Very delicious. Panzanella for president. It's Saturday and I'm cleaning out my fridge making stuffed peppers. That's right, I'm using peppers again. Remember, they were on sale. I take advantage of sales. You should too. Stuffed peppers can be really fussy, but I'm just gonna go super easy today. In half, little boat, fill it up, bake it, tiny side salad with celery. It's perfect. Nice, so pretty. So I'm just coming in, getting these veins out, getting rid of the seeds. So the great thing about stuffed peppers is you could really use anything. It could be ground meat, it could be leftover sausage, it could be all vegetables, it could be breadcrumb based. For me, today, it's the leftover barley, cheese, and tomato casserole with cauliflower, and the rest of my beans. So this gets a little mix of love. So I'm taking these out, I'm packing it in real tight, I'm covering it with a piece of cheese. If you had some leftover hamburgers, get rid of the bun, maybe make croutons out of it. Put the meat in here, no problem at all. Put leftover pasta in here. Put leftover rice in here. Shepherd's pie, mashed potatoes, turkey, chicken, broccoli stuffed peppers, mac and cheese stuffed peppers, risotto stuffed peppers, bacon stuffed peppers. You get my point? Endlessly versatile. All right, these are going into the oven. I'm melting the cheese. I'm waiting for everything to get warm. Maybe the peppers get a little shrivelly. All these things are good. So while our peppers are warming up and the cheese is melting and getting all bubbly and wonderful, we're gonna make a quick little side salad with the stuff we still have from our big shop. We'll start with the dressing. Cutting to the side of the core this time. There we go. A little bit of lemon. Very nice. Putting a little bit, some olive oil in here with our lemon. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. All right, just to switch it up a little bit, I'm gonna use a packet of mayo because I have it. It could be mustard, it could be hot sauce, it could be whatever you've got. That'll thicken up and make our dressing nice and creamy. Whisking it up. Very nice, give it a taste. Creamy, delicious, zingy. Anytime you're making a salad, for example, for work, if you put the dressing at the bottom and then something like whole cherry tomatoes, everything above this is now protected from the dressing as long as gravity keeps working. And when you're ready to eat it, then you can toss it and you won't have a soggy salad. So let's get some celery in here. This is the last little bit from the stalk that we bought. And if you save the end of the celery, it can actually regrow into leaves. All right, some romaine lettuce. I'm just gonna shred it. Very, very nice. All right, we got our salad, we got our plate. Let's get our peppers. Beautiful. Whoa, bad idea. Gonna use a utensil this time. Ooh, fantastical. Very, very hot. And now, we've got to dress our salad. How do we do that? We come from the bottom up. Shaka, 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 shaka. Salad coming in. Very nice. It's hearty, it's healthy, it's satisfying, and it used all the stuff we bought, so it's affordable. Oh, it stays together pretty well, I have to say. I've done it again. This is a really good-looking Saturday night dinner. To think that I shopped 6 days ago and I'm still making new flavors is mind-boggling to me. It's all about the pepper being the vehicle for our leftovers. The possibilities of what you can put inside of a pepper, they truly are endless. And when this is all done, you're gonna feel so proud of yourself. But don't pat yourself on the back yet. You still have 2 more meals to make, and guess what? There are no repeats, and they are delicious.